guys, happy Thursday to everyone, and to this vlog, please join with me. I'm gonna make my quick breakfast and I'm gonna make a smoothie. It is very healthy and very light to have in the morning, especially if you are trying to lose some pounds. So let me show you my simple ingredients. First, let's just check. Let's just get our what we call this, our frozen. By the way, guys, I freeze all my fruits here for my smoothie. So this is the bananas, ripe banana. This is a banana, and this is the mixed fruit. I have it here. This is the strawberry and blackberries. So this one we require, and of course some banana. I need banana because I don't use sugar for my smoothie. And I need this also. Actually, I make this. This is actually a smoothie popsicle. I made the smoothie and I put here. My daughter loves it, so instead of using ice, I also can use this instead. And for this also we require a yogurt. I'm not using milk. What I'm using is low-fat yogurt. This is a low-fat yogurt. Let's just get our grinder here. It's on the top. So first I have to put my banana here. I'll show you. Ouch, sorry. So this is my yogurt. Instead of using milk, I'm using a yogurt. You can also use what we call this, low-fat milk. But right now I don't have low-fat, so I just have to use yogurt. I just have to put 2 tablespoons of this. That's it. And this one I need to soak this with water actually. This one I need to soak this in water so it's easy to come out. And here is my frozen banana. So I'm gonna put one of this. This will serve as my sugar because banana is very sweet and it has a content of sugar. So I'm gonna put 1.5. And for this I have another set of fruits here. Here I have strawberries. I have strawberries here, and this is my blueberries. So today I'm gonna use blueberries. Yesterday I had the banana and avocado. Avocado also, I freeze the avocado. So this, and this will be enough. And this one I need to soak this in water so it's easily come out. So I just soak in the water. And also if you want, you can also put in a warm water. So for me it's just a normal tap water I'm using. Those fruits are fresh when I bought it in the market. It's not really comes in a frozen packet. The thing is, when I buy fresh ones, I right away wash them, dried it, and I put it for freezing because I feel like when I freeze it, I feel like, it's like a taste like an ice cream. Anyway, that's my way of preserving my fruits. Sometimes also I can also use avocado. I know that avocado is very sensitive. Once you open it and cut, you should eat it right away. Otherwise, it will turn black, and it will change the color. And then there will be a trick to avoid that to happen. And you just have to, after cutting the avocado, just soak the avocado pieces into a lemon juice. So this lemon juice will actually helps the avocado to maintain its color. It doesn't turn black. So I've done that. I've tasted that. It was proven. It is really good. And my avocado, even if it was in the freezer in the for a month, it doesn't turn black. It's just same as it is. So now guys, I have it here. So what I'll do for this is still hard like a stone. So let it sit outside for 5 to 10 minutes. Then before we'll grind it, because actually it's like a stone. So for the meantime, let me go for brushing up. So I'll see you then. We're back, and now let's just check our. Actually, I took a shower while I'm sitting this for 10 to 15 minutes. But as you can see, still actually hard, but I think it will be okay to grind. So let's check. When grinding this, since there's no liquid here because I wasn't using milk, I'm just using the yogurt. So instead of that, I'm just gonna put just a little of water. So it will give a good smooth blend. So here it comes. So let's grind. Now this is done, I think. Yeah, that's fine. Set aside this one, put it on the top. So now I'll show you my smoothie. Smells good. So this is how it looks like. So as you can see, nice. This is how it looks like, and we're gonna have put some straw. So now this is the moment of truth. Let's see it's how it is. Very, very nice. As you can see, this is the color. It's like purple because of the blueberries. As you can see, I'll show you close up. Guys, this is now my homemade smoothie with banana, yogurt, a little of water, and blackberries. Nice it is, as you can see. So this is really a very healthy breakfast, quick and easy to make. So that's all for today guys. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, so you'll be notified every time I have a new upload. Until then, I'll see you to my next one. Bye!